Let's learn about the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is a system of vessels and nodes that returns interstitial fluid to the circulatory system. It also has an important immune function and transports dietary fats. There is a net loss of fluid from the capillaries that seeps into the interstitium. Lymphatic capillaries pick up this interstitial fluid from the circulatory system. Let's take a closer look. Fluid can only flow into a lymphatic capillary. There is a pressure gradient with the higher interstitial pressure pushing fluid into the capillary that has a lower pressure. The cells slightly separate to allow fluid into the capillary and then move back together to block fluid from exiting. The lymph capillaries carry the fluid, now called lymph, into larger lymphatic vessels. Lymphatic vessels contain lymph nodes. The fluid flows into lymph nodes via afferent vessels. Once inside, white blood cells, including lymphocytes and macrophages, work to destroy pathogens. Germinal centers contain a high number of lymphocytes. Lymph nodes are located in clusters throughout the body. The locations include the cervical chains of nodes, axillary, lumbar, pelvic, and inguinal nodes. Lymph nodes become inflamed and swollen during infections. The lymph flows into larger vessels called trunks. The lymph from the intestinal trunk and lumbar lymphatic trunks flows into the cisterna chyli, a pouch-like structure located in the thoracic area. The lymph is carried back into circulation via two lymphatic ducts. Both lymphatic ducts connect to the subclavian veins. The right lymphatic duct drains the right side of the head, neck, and entire right upper extremity, while the thoracic duct drains the rest of the body. Organs associated with the lymphatic system include the thymus and spleen. The thymus produces T cells, or T lymphocytes. The spleen helps in recycling red blood cells and plays a role in immunity. The spleen contains red and white pulp. The red pulp helps in recycling red blood cells. The white pulp contains lymphocytes and macrophages that fight infection. The lymphatic system transports dietary fats. Chylomicrons are packages of lipids, cholesterol, and small amounts of protein. The digestive system cells package lipids into chylomicrons, which are then transported in lymph by way of lacteals located in the intestinal villi. We hope you have learned something about the lymphatic system, and see you next time.